and you have to find the output as this thing, and the size is 3. So there are 3 rows, as we can see. I is for rows and j is for column. I1, let's see over here, row is I, as we denoted I as rows. Now we can see that in first row there are how many stars? 3 star and 0 space. 2 star. In the second row there are 2 star and 1 space. Here is the space. And in the third row there is 1 star and 2 spaces. Third row, 1 star, 2 spaces. So now we have to write the code for this thing. This is seeding problem. This is a new pattern. Now for this, first we need to print the rows. For printing the rows, we need to write the loop for I equals to 1 and I less than equals to n and I plus plus. This is for the rows. Now what about the columns? This is the new pattern, so the column will be from j equals to 1 and j less than equals to. Now here is the problem. We don't know the size of j, right? So for j, we have to print the stars. We can see that there is some formula like n minus row plus 1 will be applied. Now you can ask that why it will be applied. Then let's see how it works, okay? So n is 3 and in the first row is I, right? I is 1 and plus 1. So it is 3 only, equals to 3, it's giving 3. And for the same thing, 3 minus n minus row is 2 plus 1. 3 minus 2 plus 1 is 2. And again, so here is the star. I'm showing you how the formula is getting used in this pattern. 3 minus row, how much is row? Plus 1, that is 1 only. So it is 3 to 1, 3 to 1. Now we have to give this as the size. J less than equals to n minus, what is row over here? I, right? N minus I plus 1 and j plus plus. Now we have to print the stars. And again, you have to keep in mind that there must be spaces. So the output comes like this. Because if you don't give the spaces, Coding Ninjas will show you errors. And again, we have to print the next line. For this, we have to write cout. Star will get printed in the next line. Cout backslash n. That is how our code gets ended. See the code. The problem statement is here, seeding problem. And I've done the solution, as you can see. And here is a test case. Every test case is passed. Okay, I'm giving you proof. Run. Passed. We get the desired output as it is needed.